The things I did just so I could call you mine. The things you did, know that was your favorite crime. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chord back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Favorite Crime by Olivia Rodrigo. We're gonna have our capo on 2nd fret, and we're playing basic chords. So I'm gonna show you how to play this with chords and just strumming, and then I'm gonna show you how to pick it, okay? For those of you that wanna pluck it. So yeah, let me just restart the song and we get right into it. So first chord is a G. 3, 2, open, open, open 1. And then we go to E minor. This is the verse. To know that I love you so bad. E minor is open, 2, 2, open, open, open. And then we're gonna have a C somewhere. Open, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then D is open, 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 2, 3, 2. Okay. Let's just restart so that I give you the chords. So I had G. And my strumming pattern will basically be down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up. Okay? So you're going to be plucking 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 6, 2, 3. Okay, so let me pause and take this a little bit slower. The advanced player is going to be playing. So that's 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2. Sorry, 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 3. And then we go to E minor, and it's still 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 3, 6, 6, 2, 3, 6, 3. Right? So G. And then we go to E minor is actually 6, 6, 4. Sorry, 6, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3. Like that. And then we go into the things you did. That's D. Just so I could call you mine. Off to C. The things I did. D again. Wish I was your favorite crime. Right, and then we're playing C there. So if you want to pluck that, it's going to be the things you did. So that's 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 3, right? And then you go to C. Right. So on C, you're going to be playing 5, 5, 1, 2, 5, 2. Right? So things I did, just so I could call you mine. So what I did right there was I played C and then I cycled it to phrase 3 and 5. That becomes a D. You can do that, but it doesn't sound as accurate as what I showed you already, where you're actually holding the D and then you go to C. All right, let's just scroll through the song to see if we have a progression change. Things you did, I hope I was your favorite. Okay, use me as an alibi, that second verse. It's gonna be the same chords as the first chorus, and then we play. Okay, so we do have a progression change. Where she goes, it's bittersweet to think about the things we do. And the chords are as follows. Okay, so A minor, E minor, D. So A minor is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. E minor I already showed you to D, right? So that's na 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 na, A minor, E minor, and then D. Okay, na 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 na, and I'm plucking 5, 4, 3, 2, and then E minor is 6, 4, 3, D is 4, 3, 2, right? And then we get into the but I say that I hate, and oh yeah. Okay, so that oh look what we've became is D to C, right, to C. So it's just D back to C, and then we go into oh the things I hate, just so I could call you mine. And this time they're going higher with the notes, so it's not. Okay, so for your C, instead of playing open, the 1, you're just gonna hammer it onto the 3rd fret and you're playing. And if you're a beginner, you're just strumming. All the things I say. And these are like the last parts of the song, so they're just gonna repeat that, your favorite crime. Okay, so that repeat is G to E minor, and then G to conclude. Alright, so that's basically it for the whole song. Strumming pattern I believe I already showed you, but just to make sure, down, down, up, 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 down, down, up, up. That's the standard strumming pattern for this song. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video.